Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Sun channel for reviewing and describing perfumes. How to make a small collection with under $200. So this episode is for those who are beginning or who are beginner in the fragrance community and who want to do a collection of various type of fragrances. Also, this fragrance for those who want to explore or try new fragrances in the market. Avant by Maison Alhambra. This one is, I think, one of the greatest alternative and clones for Creed Aventus. Avant by Maison Alhambra contain that pineapple, that smoky pineapple. Remember, as of the old batches by Creed Aventus, you know, the new batches is a little bit different than the old batches. So this one is a perfect fragrance for all occasions and all situations. We all know the famous fragrance by Chanel is the Bleu de Chanel, the Joker fragrance, the blue fragrance. So we see a lot of clones in the market. One of them is L'Homme Bleu Intense that comes with eau de parfum concentration. This fragrance is from the house of Gipperlis. In this house we see three clones, and I made a comparison of the difference between these three fragrances. L'Homme Bleu Intense, this one is a little bit green. There is Blue Imperial, yes, contain also the same smell as Eau de Parfum, Bleu de Chanel, but it's contain that patchouli vibes. There is also, yes, I Am the King Le Perfume. It's clone for the perfume version of Bleu de Chanel. It's more smoky, more woody. So if you're gonna try one of them and you're gonna decide to buy only one, you can watch the episode and you're gonna see the difference and you're gonna choose what you make you happy. For young people and for teenagers, I always propose for you Midnight in Paris. Why? Because this fragrance is one of the greatest clones in the market for Emporio Armani Stronger With You. Midnight in Paris, really, it's a sweet fragrance, sweet vanilla, incense, apple, great mix. I think if you smell Midnight in Paris, you're gonna say yes, this is 100% Emporio Armani Stronger With You. The difference is the price, and definitely only the price. For people who love leathery fragrances, and especially Toscano Leather by Tom Ford, and we all know Tom Ford fragrances are so expensive, and for beginners and for students, also for those who work, they can't get Toscano Leather fragrance with that price if you want to make a big collection. So if you love that line of Toscano Leather, definitely you must try this masterpiece by Alhambra. It's a clone of the not only the scent but also for the design. For they try to clone it everything. So Toscano Leather gonna give you that similar vibes of leather. There is other people say that Bois d'Iris also is Toscano Leather clone, but I think no, Bois d'Iris it's similar more to Italian Leather by Mimo Pari. Bois d'Iris is the private collection by Gipperlis House. I really love this fragrance. This is a masterpiece for the cool seasons. For lovers of the Acqua di Gio Profumo by the house of Giorgio Armani, I propose for you George de Profumo by Maison Alhambra. This one also is good alternative. They try to clone everything here, not only the smell but everything. Yes, the longevity here is not that powerful, or it's not good as you know, only 3 hours maximum or 4 hours. But when we compare the price versus the quality, we're gonna say this one is deserved to be owned. Only $20, and you must do a lot of sprays. For lovers of classical perfumes, this one called Eau de Passion Man by Franck Olivier. Also, this is a French brand. Eau de Passion Man, remember as of Platinum, Chanel Platinum Egoist, the spicy, classical, green. Platinum Egoist is a good fragrance for all occasions and all times. It's like Joker fragrance. This one is best alternative for it, but it's I think a lighter version of Chanel Platinum Egoist. So this is softer than Platinum Egoist, that is very harsh. I propose this one, and if you try it, you're gonna know what I say. Top 3 Salvo Elixir by Maison Alhambra. We all see the latest Dior Sauvage, the Elixir version by François Desmarchais. Yes, it contains that DNA of Dior Sauvage perfumes, but the Salvo Elixir divide from this line to the spices. I think you must try only once time, in your life, Salvo Elixir. This one is so beautiful when it's dry totally. You're gonna smell the same smell as Sauvage Elixir. Also, I tried them both, Salvo Elixir and Sauvage Elixir, and I don't see a big difference. This is the stuff. Parade de Nuit from the private collection Les Infinis, the niche fragrance by the house of Gibberlis. Parade de Nuit, this one is a clone for very expensive fragrance called Intoxicated by Kelia. This one is designed for those who love coffee, cinnamon, also who love iris, powdery notes, also for those who love the cardamom. This one, it's also can be worn at the cold seasons, or can be worn at the hot weather, but I prefer to wear it if there is air in the weather. You can wear it in the hot weather easily. Parade de Nuit is good stuff. It feels like a niche fragrance. You must try this one. Last but not least, Persus by Maison Alhambra. Also, this one is a clone for Pegasus by Parfum de Marly. This scent, we all know the Pegasus, the quality. This scent is for those who love almond, okay, almond. And if you love creamy fragrances designed for women and men, doesn't matter, you can try Persus by Maison Alhambra. You're gonna feel the same scent as the Pegasus. In the beginning it's a little bit synthetic, but when it's dry after 2-3 minutes, you're gonna feel and smell another thing. Thank you, and see you in another video.